Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this isometric drawing into the 3D model. So let's start our tutorial. So here I will create a new file and I will switch to the part design workbench. I create a body, then I create a sketch, and I will select this XY plane to create our base profile. So here I will select a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, and I will give my length and width. So my length is 140 and width is 85. Now I will come out of the sketch, and this pad is 18 mm thick, so I will select the pad tool and give the 18 mm, and I will close it. So this is our base profile, and now we will create this profile. So for this I will rotate my model and select the back face and create a sketch, and I will switch to the isometric, and now here I will project this edge and this edge as well, and from other side this edge as well. Now I will switch to the right view, and I will draw the two circles, approximate circles, and then I will select polyline tool, and here is a conflict, so I will delete it. Now we will make the tangency relation. I will select the tangent, edit the sketch, and I will switch to the right view. Now I will select the tangent, make this tangent and this tangent and this tangent. Again I will draw a line and add the tangent relation, and for better visibility I will switch to the wireframe. Okay, now we will trim the unnecessary geometry. Let's switch to the isometric. Okay, so this is a selections issue because my actual line was hidden with this my green axis, so that's why I have rotated and deleted it with the trim option. Now I will also trim this and this one. Now let's give the dimension. Now better I will move to the rear view and I will close my profile. So here I will select and I will remove the conflict, this one. Okay, now I will switch to the isometric view and give my dimension in isometric position. So this is the 38. So I will select this point and this one, this point and this point, 38. And here I will give the tangent, and this radius is a 20 because this diameter is 40. So I will select it and give the radius 20, and from the edge it is a 50. So I will select this point. So selection issue, so I will rotate my model, select this point, this line and this point, and give the 50, and from the face it is 100. So I will select this point and this one and give 100, and this radius is a 55 divided by 2, 55 divided by 2. So here we have made this profile which is a fully constrained. Now I will close this profile because here one line is not closed. So I will edit sketch. Okay, here it is a close, some graphical issue. Now I will click on the pad and I will say reverse, and from here I will switch to the flat lines, and from here isometric. So this is the 12 mm, so I will give it a 12 mm and I will say OK. So this is how we have made this overall profile. And now we will make the cut here. So I will select the face and create a sketch. I will project this arc and create a circle, and I will close it, and I will select the cut tool and I will say through all. Okay, now again I will select the face and create a sketch, and I will project the geometry. I will draw the circle, one more circle. So inner one is 30. So I will select the diameter and give it a 30, and I will close it and click on the pad option, click on reversed, and from here select the 2 dimension. So in one direction I want 12 mm, so simply I will type here 12, and other side 36 minus 12, and from here I will uncheck the reverse and I will say OK. Now we will check the dimension. So I will select this face and this one. So this is the 12 mm, which is our required dimension. And now we will create one boss here. So for this I will select the face and create a sketch, and I will project this arc, and I will draw the circle, one more circle which is the inner one, of dia 18. I will give the 18 mm. Now I will close it and I will click on the pad tool. So this is the 30 minus 12. So I will simply give 30 minus 12 and I will say OK. Now here is a fillet of 25. So I will select the edge, go with fillet, and I will give here 25. So here fillet is failing, so we will rectify it why it is failing. So we will go to our feature, this pad 001, and I will say edit sketch. So this is the, from the base we have given 100, so 18 mm we will add here, because this 100 dimension is from the face. Now I will say OK. Now we will be able to give the fillet. I select the edge and here I will give the 25 mm and I will say OK. Now we will create the cut. So I will select the face and create a sketch, and I will project this edge and I will draw the rectangle. From the both the side it is 18, so I will select the dimension, give the 18 mm one side and 18 mm on the other side, and this cut is 3 mm, so I will select the line and give the 3 mm. Now I will move the dimension outside for the better visibility. Now I will close it and I will go with the cut, and from here I will say through all and say OK. Now we will make these two holes. So I will select the face and create a sketch, and I will project the edges. I require this edge, this one and this one. I will select the circle and I will draw the two circle. I will make them equal. Diameter is 16 mm, so I will give here 16. Now the position is a 35 and 70, so I will select this point and this point. So this one is a 30, so let's give first 31, 30 dimension, and again select this point and this point. So this is a 35, and this one should be vertical, and now distance between center to center is a 70. Now I will move my dimension to the outside so that you can clearly see it. Now either we can go with the cut option or we can go with the hole option, so I will go with the hole, and here I will give the 16 mm diameter, and end condition I will say through all and say OK. So this is how we have successfully converted our isometric drawing into the 3D model with the help of our Dsign Workbench. If you are seeing these edges, then do not worry about it, because if we go to the shaded view, then we cannot see the difference here. So we have on the flat line, that's why we are saying, but in actual this is the merge feature. So this is all about this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial then please like, subscribe and share my channel. And I will also provide this my source file and my 2D drawings of the tutorial in a video description, so any beginner user can practice it, and in the case of any doubt the user can refer my model. So this is all about this tutorial. If you have any suggestion then please give your suggestion in a video description, video comment sections. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.